Hi friends, welcome to the Fixer Quiz channel.
In today's quiz, can you answer questions about Italian Brainrot animals? First question, guess the character. Piri Piri Crocodilini. Boom! The answer is number 13, Piri Piri Crocodilini. Next challenge for you. Only 3% of viewers can like this video and subscribe before time runs out. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Second question. Can you guess this character's name? That's right. It's Frigocamello. Frigocamello Buffo Fardello nel centro della città. Third question. Guess the character. Zebra Zubra. Zebralini. Zib Zib Zebra, Broccolini. Any guesses? The answer is number 15. Write in the comments if you guessed it right. Zebra Zubra, Zebralini, Zib Zib Zebra, Broccolini. Fourth question, who do you think this is? It's Giraffa Celeste, Giraffa Celeste, Viaggio Agreste. Fifth question, who do you think it is? Ballerina Cappuccina. Me. Correct, it's number 3. If you're having fun, smash the like button. Ballerina Cappuccina. Me. Sixth question, can you remember the name of this character? Absolutely. It's Cappuccino Assassino.
Cappuccino Assassino! Assassini Cappuccini!
Seventh question. Next character to guess. Glorbo. Fruttodrillo. Who was it? It's number 7. Comment how many answers you got right so far. Glorbo. Fruttodrillo. Eighth question. Do you know this character's name? Right again. It's Penguino Cocosino.
Penguino Cocosino. Penguini Cocosini.
Ninth question. Guess the next character. Brr Bicus Dicus de Bicus de Dicus. Who do you think it is? The answer is number 4. Subscribe if you love quizzes like this. Brr Bicus Dicus de Bicus de Dicus. 10th question. Who's this character? Think fast. Yes, that's Tralalero Trulicina. Trulimero Trulicina. 11th question. Who do you think it is? Ecco a voi! Pussinni Sushinni! It's number 9. Ecco a voi! Pussinni Sushinni! 12th question. Who is this? Looks familiar, right? Correct. It's Hippopotamini Panini.
Hippopotamini Panini? Popotaminoci? Noci?
13th question. Next character. Bombardiro Crocodilo. Did you recognize the character? It's number 1. Write which question was the hardest. Bombardiro Crocodilo. 14th question. Can you guess this one just by looking? Correct. That's Tralalero Tralala.
Tralalero Tralala. Porco Dio e porco Allah.
15th question. Who's next?
Cocofanto Elefanto. Elefantucci Coconucci.
Can you guess it? It's number 11. Challenge your friends, share this video, and test them too.
Cocofanto Elefanto. Elefantucci Coconucci.
16th question. Any idea who this character could be? Correct. His name is larila. Larila. Elefante nel deserto che cammina qua e là. The next challenge is exciting. Which gift will you pick? Red or blue? If you choose the red gift, make sure to subscribe to my channel and share your favorite food in the comments. If you pick the blue gift, comment the name of your city. A little surprise awaits you in the next video. 17th question. Next character, Shimpanzini Broccolini. Broccolini, Nini Shimpanzini. Guess who it is? It's number 16, Shimpanzini Broccolini. Broccolini, Nini Shimpanzini. 18th question. Guess the name of this fellow. Yes, that's right. It's Orangutini Ananasini. Orangutini Ananasini. Puppa Patapim. Ananasuchi monkey 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 uchi. 19th question. Next character. Blueberini. Octopussini. How about this one? It's number 12, like if you're a real quiz master. Blueberini. Octopussini. 20th question. Next character. Oi, oi, oi. Bobarito Bondito? El Bobrito Gangsterito. Who do you think it is? It's number 5. Oi, oi, oi. Bobarito Bondito? El Bobrito Gangsterito. 21st question. Would you rather have Brr Brr Patapim, Brr Brr Patapim, il mio cappello è pieno di slim, or Tung 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 Sahur? Tung 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 Sahur. Answer in the comments. 22nd question. Can you guess who this is? Cappuccino, Babooino. Babooini, Cappuccini. It's number 10. Cappuccino, Babooino. Babooini, Cappuccini. 23rd question. Rate the hybrid. Bombardiro Crocodilo and Tralalero Tralala. Bombardillalero Tralala. Rate it in the comments with an emoji and the question number. 24th question. Who's up next? Bam bam, bim bim, bom bom. Spaghetti toaletti. Toaletto spaghetto. Recognize the character? It's number 14. Follow me for more fun quizzes. Bam bam, bim bim, bom bom. Spaghetti toaletti. Toaletto spaghetto. 25th question. Spot the 3 hidden characters in the picture. Reveal hidden characters after the countdown. 26th question. Next character. Who could this be? Tigruli grapefruitoni. Arrar. Tigretto la grapefrutto. It's number 8. Engaging high five if you got it right. Tigruli grapefruitoni. Arrar. Tigretto la grapefrutto. 27th question. Find the odd one out. One character is different. 28th question. Guess the character. Frulli frulla. Un pinguino nel deserto che fa bla bla bla. Who's the character? It's number 6. Quick break for another gift insert. Frulli frulla. Un pinguino nel deserto che fa bla bla bla. 29th question. Guess the character by illusion. Look carefully. It's Tung 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 Sahur. 30th question. Guess this character. Il cacto ippopotamo. C'era una volta un cactus gigante. One last guess. It's number 2. Turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quiz. Il cacto ippopotamo. C'era una volta un cactus gigante. I've got one last challenge for you. Only 3% of viewers will manage to subscribe and click on the next video before time expires. 3, 2, 1.